Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome to my new video. This video is regarding the short keys for MS Excel. Short keys are used to perform the functions in quick time to save the time and make the accuracy accordingly. So let's start. Control C key is used for copying data in MS Excel. And after in my next video or in the last of this video I will show you the practical use of these functions. Paste. For pasting data from one place to another, first we copy data from one place using Control C, then we use Control V to paste the data on the desired place of the cells. To cut data from one place, Control X command is used, or a short key is used. For Mac users, they can use the same key, Control X or Command X. The next short key is Control Z. If you want to redo the last function or the last step, like if you delete any data by mistake and you want to bring it back, you will use Control Z. When you have done Control Z, like you have undo the data that you have done recently and you just came to know that I have to redo this step, you can use Control Y. This will bring back the undo data. Remove cell contents. If you want to remove any data from any particular cell, you will select the cell or those cells more than one, and then you will press delete button from the keyboard. To make the text bold, Control B is used. Underline. If you want to underline any text or any data, you will use Control U. And for Mac operating system, Command U or Control U. Fill cells down. If we see that we want to copy the same data from one cell to another or from one row to another row, we will use Control D command. Control R is used to fill cells from left to right. Like if we have any data in the left cell and we want to copy it to the right side, we will use Control R. Insert cells. If you want to insert new cell, new row, new column, we will select the cell or row or column, and then we will use the shortcut Control Shift plus sign. So it will create new cell, new row or new column on your desired location. The Mac users will use Control Shift and equal sign. Delete cells. If you want to delete any particular cell, any particular row or any particular column, you will select that cell, row or column and will use Control hyphen. Save. To save data, Control S command will be used. So that when you save data, you can reopen anytime and you can work again from where you left. If the same file you want to use for with changes or with another name, or the you want to duplicate file, F12 key is used to save as option. Print. As most of the softwares use Control P option to print the desired page or desired document. To close the Excel current work sheet, you can use Control W or Control F4. If you want to quit the Excel file, you will go Alt F4. That is for now. You can subscribe to my channel for more learning videos. See you in the coming next video. Thank you so much.